About sa digging na yan, allegation ni Atty. Torion yan, let him prove that. Wala akong sinasabi muna dyan sa mga bagay na yan, sapagkat yan ay allegation nila. Let them prove it. Yan ang gusto nila. Sige, let them prove it also.
Pero may photos and videos din.
Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at pakita niya rin ang, alam niya ang batas, paano dyan. Ilabas niya yung taong nagbigay at bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop.
Sa loob ng
Dito, Mr. Chair, napakaliwanag ng pag-admit niya sa inyo. Pero sa publiko, wala siyang pakialam, wala siyang respeto sa Pilipino. Pwede siyang magsinungaling ng hayagan. Mr. Chair, just to answer your question, Senator Bongo's question, what is the end game? The end game of the people of KOJC, of which I'm not a member of, but I've come to learn to love them, is the end game of every Filipino. At the end of the day, you just want to go home, you enjoy your family, you just want to worship your God in peace, you just want to sing and dance because they are a group of people that want to sing and dance. But even those simple pleasures have been taken away from them because of this petty tyrant, General Nicolas Torre.
Thank you. Attorney Torion, para sila na...
Your Honor, before I proceed, Your Honor, we have, I do hope General Torre will not deny this, the Proton Elec, Your Honor, is a very powerful equipment. I think this came from abroad, probably the US, I'm not sure, but we did our research. It's from abroad. It can detect the bunker or tunnel underneath. And can you please ask him, Your Honor, because they were using this Proton Elec, and accordingly, we have credible information that the readings were negative, that there are no, because they conducted the test even before they entered. There were no tunnels and there are no bunkers or tunnels underneath. Can we ask him point blank, Your Honor?
Attorney Torion, kahit na hindi natin siya tanungin, klaro man talagang walang existence yan. Kasi kung may existence ng tunnel na yan, after 13 days, nakuha na nila yan. General Torre, you react.
Sir, that's part of my presentation. That will be answered in the slides, sir, I assure you, sir.
Okay, bilisan natin. Are you willing to forgo with your presentation para matapos natin
Mr. Chair, excuse me, Mr. Chair. Yeah. Did I understand it right that you would cite him for contempt if you caught him lying?
Yeah, if he's lying before this committee, I will cite him for contempt.
He lied, Mr. Chair.
Why?
With that video, he said here na he denied it here that there wasn't such a video.
Paano niya sinabi?
Sinabi niya na wala pong video, wala pong press con na ganon. Hindi siya nag-press con at hindi niya dinenay.
Did you say that? Walang press con na ganon?
Can we ask the record, sir, to read back the transcript?
Please.
Comsec, check sa records.
About sa digging na yan, allegation ni Atty. Torion yan, let him prove that. Wala akong sinasabi muna dyan sa mga bagay na yan, sapagkat yan ay allegation nila. Let them prove it. Yan ang gusto nila. Sige, let them prove it also.
Pero may photos and videos din.
Ilabas nila yung nagbigay ng photo at pakita niya rin ang, alam niya ang batas, paano dyan. Ilabas niya yung taong nagbigay at bigyan niya rin ng sworn statement kasi kaya kong gawin yan sa loob ng Photoshop.
sa loob ng
In the interest of time, habang binabackplay niyo yan, we will continue para mga ng oras.